Hello children. Today we are going to do the topic the food we eat. Food is very important for all of us. We have food when we feel hungry. Food helps us to live and survive and also helps us in many other ways. So let's have a look at how food helps us. Food helps us to grow. It helps us to grow from an infant to a toddler, then to a teenager, and finally an adult. Food also gives us the energy to perform various activities like to work, to play, to walk, and to run. So, children, we all love to eat food, isn't it? But do you know where do we get it from? Let's have a look. Now, there are two sources of food, plants and animals. From plants, we get fruits, vegetables, and pulses like dal, chana, rajma, etc. And from animals, we get eggs, honey, milk, and meat like chicken. So, children, you all have learned about the importance of food and its sources. Now, let's learn about the different meals that we eat. So, what is a meal? A meal is food that is prepared and eaten at a specific time. There are three important meals of the day. The first meal of the day is breakfast. The second meal of the day is lunch. And the last meal of the day is dinner. Now let's discuss these three meals in detail. Breakfast. Breakfast is eaten in the morning. It is the most important meal as it is eaten after a long gap and is the first meal of the day. So, breakfast should be healthy as the body needs energy to carry out all the activities throughout the day. Now, children, let's have a look at some food items which we can have for breakfast. So, we can have eggs, milk, paratha, fruits, porridge, poha, juice, dosa. We can also have a combination of paratha and milk, or maybe poha and fruits. Apart from these food items, you can choose to have a food item of your choice. Now let's talk about the second meal of the day, which is lunch. So children, lunch is eaten in the afternoon. Now children, let's have a look at some food items which we can have for lunch. We can have rice, sabzi, dal, chapati, rajma, salad, raita, curry. And we can also choose to make a combination of dal, rice and sabzi. Or maybe we can have dal and chapati and take some salad or some raita. Apart from these food items, children, you may choose to have a food item of your choice. Now let's talk about the last meal of the day, which is dinner. Dinner is eaten late in the evening. So children, we should make sure not to eat too much before sleeping. Because while we sleep, our body also rests and finds it difficult to digest the food that we have eaten. Now let's have a look at some food items which can be had for dinner. So children, we can have dal, chapati, chicken curry, shahi paneer, sabzi, potato curry. Apart from these, you can choose to have a food item of your choice, but make sure it's not very difficult to digest. Water. Water is very important. It helps our body to function properly. It helps in digesting the food that we eat and keeps our body active, hydrated, and moisturized. So, children, it is very important to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. So, children, now you all know about the importance of food, its sources, and the three meals of the day.